Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Snapchat support code SS07. So let's get started. So if you face this support code SS07 on Snapchat and you can't use the Snapchat application and you want to fix it. So to fix that error, what you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you can search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, now what you have to do is just simply select the Snapchat application and then check if your Snapchat has an update. So if you have an update on Snapchat, then what you can do is just simply update your Snapchat application, and after updating your Snapchat application you have to check if this fixed your problem. So if this does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply close this, and after closing, what you have to do is just simply head over to your Snapchat. So after heading over to your Snapchat, just tap and hold on that application, and now you will find a eye icon which is app info. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that, you'll come up to your app info section on settings, and from here what you have to do is just tap on storage and cache, and after tapping on storage and cache, now what you have to do is just simply tap on clear cache, and after tapping on clear cache, you should fix your problem. So by clearing your cache, what will happen is it will fix any issues or bugs that you are facing in Snapchat. So just simply clear your cache and this should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Snapchat error code SS07. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.